try to do this event. I'm saying try. I did it. I did it for my client, okay? But I brought my 2 sons, and I wanted to introduce them to the game of golf. Whew.
I get one too, please. You're a cameraman. What do you need one? Yeah, I'm a cameraman. You can't either. No, I can. No, I'm of age. Are you of age?
Cameraman does not talk. That's if the cameraman don't talk.
Hella hungry.
All day.
I could eat a whole cow. That's how hungry I am. Cameraman don't talk. No, listen. I'm a streamer / cameraman. You shouldn't be talking. Cameraman out here talking. Look at this cameraman. My gosh. This cameraman doing the most. My cameraman. Horrible.
Get it down. Hey.
Get it. Where's your sticks?
We had a great time out there. I ain't gonna lie to you. We had a phenomenal time out there, but you know how it goes. As a business owner, you trying to juggle all these different things. It just is what it is. So, hey, hope you enjoy the show, because I do have a lesson to tell you at the end of all of this. I got something really important to share, so make sure you stay and watch to the end. Let's get into it. Let's talk about this. So, who's the better baller?
He was about to go. I was about to go pick him. He was about to get whooped in some black jeans too. Yes, you was. You was about to get whooped.
I should go get my membership right now to see who can win.
Oh, that's such a rage bait. Get whooped.
Now I think these guys. I don't know where these guys. Oh, these guys are right here. So I want to try to find a place where I can go ahead and hit. You know, you're eating. Oh, good. Eat. Yeah. I know they were.
You guys want to do tequila shots?
They can't.
I can. I can. He can't.
That's what I like to hear.
He got one more.
Yeah.
Month.
Glasses yet? Our Twisted Tea sunglasses? Where are they at?
I don't know. I'm a vendor just like y'all. We gotta. I know. I saw those sunglasses. I need.
Everybody's getting them. Where's ours?
I know. I need mine too.
If I didn't bring you, hey, cameraman don't talk. Keep doing it.
He hit the ball pretty good. This next guy, he crushed it. There we go. Oh, get over that. I wish you could see how good. The trees on the left right there, it went over the trees.
Great
man,
shot.
He hit that like a good 280 yards.
You murdered that ball.
So the girl's taking off right here. I'm like, all right.
I got a good golf cart like that.
This is hole 10. Josiah's on the left. Jaden is in the middle. And we're on hole 10. We are about to go get some steak bites right now because I'm hungry. And I didn't even really eat that much. I was hungry, but these steak bites, and there were shrimp too. It was
amazing.
Fire.
Steak bites, some shrimp bites. My man, they ain't got a chair out here for you?
He said he had to use the bathroom.
That's good to know. All right, let's take you back to the
part of the course that you never seen before, and I was really trying to talk to the camera, but I realized they ain't seen it either. And see, look, they were playing around. See, they really wanted to play basketball, but I was like, nah. So we about to go to a hole, I think this is 16 right here. Par 3.
Hey, the pate.
Yeah, how you doing out here?
We're doing pretty good, I think. I don't know. We're like,
This guy, it's the hardest
oh, no,
holes.
10. Yeah, 10. Those three.
He's a golfer.
Why not?
No, but I'm not at your level.
It doesn't matter.
That's what all the good players say. Watching them get smoked, and you get smoked. You get smoked. They all say, come out and join. You ain't about to smoke me.
He got the front hole.
You ain't about to smoke me. No, they were. This hole was, man. They were all. Oh, it was funny. It was funny.
Can I get one more still?
Yeah.
I don't know what game we're playing.
It was funny.
Hamlin, that's the high school football coach right there at Skyview. That's good. Ooh, is that too far?
This is what I'm talking about. Josiah,
no, that's just it.
I cut out so much, but Josiah was not doing what he was supposed to do. He was focused on everything else.
Thanks for the fun.
I cut out like a good 20 minutes of him smacking his lips. when he was just eating the food, he was just like making it all about him. I was like, focus on me. I'm the main character. This is what it's on. I was like, man, I can't even use this for the. But I was like, finally, I can hit. I was so happy.
Let me get out my stuff. Let's see, I'm not ready.
Like,
what's the distance?
Go ahead and hit.
You hear anybody telling you the distance?
I was like, okay, I'm gonna hit.
185.
Man, and I was not warmed up. I was swinging way too hard, but I was so happy. I'm like, I'm on the golf course.
173 or 185.
I can hit. Let's go. Let's get out my. I was like, I'm gonna club up too.
Dying. We were you. No.
I'm Catherine. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Me too.
In Arizona? It was hot, but
I survived Arizona.
Arizona in the summer is something different, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, because you guys go on a regular basis.
We do, but I usually don't book us between June and September.
Because it's hot.
Listen, I ain't trying to be that close to the devil.
Ooh, girl, you ain't lying.
It's warm down there. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. I know, right? That's David's wife. Okay.
Sister.
Oh, hey.
She's older.
The one who said it.
Everybody thinks she's older.
No, they don't. That's okay, kitty cat. That's okay. That's okay. Yes, Nate.
I bogeyed that hole though. I hit her ball. That was my third hit. I did get it on the fourth.
Oh. All right, so this is one of the hardest holes. I mean, what we just got done with too is one of the hardest holes, but
What's this?
be careful when you step out to the right here. But
Oh shit!
I just
Oh no! Oh fuck! We done told
Here.
you.
Carson,
I
got him
said
on
don't
camera.
step out to the right.
We done told you. My Oregon Ducks shoes.
Go Cougs.
Oh Lord! Look at that. Ooh, yeah.
I'm gonna have y'all hit the ball.
Oh Lord.
Exactly. Okay.
This is the easiest one. So
Here's the driver.
I don't need a driver. No, I can do the driver. I use a 7. He doesn't like doing it. I'll use a 6. I'm a 6. Oh, I
Here.
need the glove too.
You need a glove. What do you need a glove for?
I need everything.
You see where that's where you aiming for.
The orange flag.
Mm-hmm. That's what you aiming for.
They were hitting it in the driving range this whole time.
Oh baby. Oh, you hear that? That's gonna be some heat. Alright. Counts as 1. Beautiful.
You see all that mess he was talking.
Oh, here we go with excuses.
If you follow his page,
Practice straight notes.
you see they were talking mess. You should follow him and see what happened to it. You see it at that time, but you should see
Okay.
what happens to him in the
All right,
driving
here.
range.
My time to hit. Ah!
Look, I'm swinging out of my shoes.
Damn it! Don't be busting my camera.
Well, this thing don't go down.
Well, you got.
Shut up and hit. I want to see that.
You were going at it this whole time.
You're swinging way too hard.
It was good though to get them out there. This is one of the things I wish I would have had
Use a hybrid?
when I was
Yeah,
their
just
age.
use a hybrid. I'm gonna drop it with you. No, the girls are right behind us. You gotta hurry up and hit.
My friends know me though. I am the speed police.
Hurry up and
Let's
hit.
go. Y'all need to hurry up. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna pick that up. Jaden, you go hit yours.
That's beautiful. Yep, just there.
So we didn't finish this hole. Unfortunately, there was only 2 holes that we hit the drivers from. This one and the next
So
one.
y'all couldn't complete it.
Oh nope, you rushed us.
Yeah, because you
It's not rushed.
No, it is. It's time.
Actually.
No, it is time. You got 8 minutes to get through. 8 to 10 minutes to get through a hole.
I can do that. It's easy.
You think so?
I know so. Exactly.
Y'all both said it, and no, you obviously you didn't because we couldn't make it past You had the ladies
That wasn't
catch
8
up.
minutes.
That was
about
like 4.
Oh, yeah. It was about 5 minutes.
And then you took the
We
time
still have
to
5
try
minutes
to
out
look
there.
for your ball too.
Yeah, we also took. Yeah, exactly. We also took the time to look
So
for
we
your
didn't have
ball.
the time to hit all the way right
So
there.
technically, that's 4 minutes.
You know, the other if we had the other 4, we would have had it. Because we
Yeah.
were 2 hits already halfway.
Because I was close.
Same as I.
You think so?
I know so.
Mm-mm.
You know so.
Y'all are cute.
We got it.
It's good that you guys have each other's backs, even when you're wrong.
I'm not wrong.
I think we're pretty
Always
right now.
Right in being wrong. You're correct. Hit the tree. I hit the tree many times from this hole. Someone got a hole in one from this hole. Oh, it was bad. Now I can't talk because mine is even worse. You're about to see how bad mine went. But again, like this is the time where I'm so upset with that. Dang it. Of course I was gonna hit again.
That went in the backyard.
Dang.
Hi guys.
Just so I had talking mess. But you know, this was important because I wanted them to get out there, have fun. The scramble, as you know, as you see, just talking with the girls again. Josiah making it all about himself again. But you know, what's important is just getting it out there. Because as we talk to these guys coming up, they were just talking about how golf is important. As someone as you getting older, you can't play basketball all day long. Your knees hurt, right? Then you got responsibilities. But it was good for them just to have the conversation. These guys work from, where were they from? The city of Vancouver. And so being from that, they were from the city of Vancouver. Let me turn this down. It was really good that we had a chance to put it in perspective in regards to, like, this game is all about individual improvement. It's not going to be always this one-on-one, this head-to-head competition. It is with yourself, but it was good for both Jaden and Josiah to hear it. You know, this is a scramble. We go off for the best ball. And again, I was just trying to get them out there so they can see that all different types of people go out there and golf. Men, women, black, white. I think it was real easy for me to disregard golf and say, like, no, I'm not golfing because I don't see me out there. And as you can tell, we have all types of folks out there, so you don't feel like you're excluded. And so, you know, there's a saying, you do golf so you can make business deals. Well, that's true, right? As they just shook hands. So these guys in particular, the guy in the pink shirt said he blew out his Achilles and then he started golfing. But, you know, they were breaking it down to him. But I started playing golf because I was like, you do deals on the golf course. Yeah, well, it's more than just that. The guy I'm talking to right now, too, on the left, that guy, Rod Hill, he's I think I have the video. Maybe I took it down. But let's see right there. Rod Hill, he's a camera guy or a weatherman for KGW. The weatherman for KGW right there. But we were just talking about golf and how important golf is just on a mental level.
That's turning over.
He did a pretty good job. He hit that. Yeah, he crushed that too.
Wicked right. You missed him.
Man, there was this one guy, he really crushed, like, the dude initially, man, he crushed it. Like, I ain't never seen someone hit it.
That's a good drive for me. Good drive for me.
It was a good drive. You said good drive for me. This wasn't the only time the girls were yelling and screaming and having a good time.
That's a birdie, baby. Birdie, baby.
She's like, you keep messing with my good shots. I'm like, I'm playing in front of you.
Let's go! That's them girls. Having a good time so far.
Yeah. Yes.
All right, let's go. Playmakers, bust for purpose.
Hey, Terry.
Yes.
Hey.
All right, Shell. Let's go.
Right here?
Yeah, we're fucking over here. Now we went in.
It's a scramble.
No, you did it. Somebody almost got hurt.
No one heard you.
Is that a cookie?
Callaway.
Oh, look, it wasn't even in.
Come on now.
Yeah, somebody.
Now you are. Come on, big head. Go on and put it on the green.
So David was talking trash. I didn't get all the trash talking.
David. Go to the beach, David.
Over the beach?
Go to the beach. Over the beach. You better get over the beach.
Oh! Oh, that's where your gap was? God damn it. No, you erase that.
Hey, he was right by mine. Welcome to the club.
So I was trying to record this, but I had to wait. I had to wait like 5 minutes because they were backing up. Marketing and golf. You got your putter here, and this is where you don't want to get it twisted. This is used for putting, the short game, where you make your money on. So you got to be very specific. It's a tactic. You ain't going to be using your wedge. Your wedge and your irons are going to be something completely different. So everybody wants to hit the driver well. This is the most inconsistent stick in your bag, but I get it, because if you hit this off the tee good, everyone else thinks the rest is just a easy game. Golf is about the short game, which also means it's about your tactics, and your tactics are all about all the tools you have when it comes to marketing. Like this right here, if you can hit this well, you're gonna be at least a bogey golfer or better, because the real game of golf and the real game of marketing is about how well you nurture your folks and how do you turn them into a client, a customer. It's all about the short game. So that's when it comes to marketing, and golf is similar. Hey, make sure you understand with golf it's no different. But hey, if you want to get game, come hit me up, comment. I'd like to know your thoughts. Let me know. Now, I already did a live. I was tired by this point, but my whole reason for being out here at the club, Green Meadows, was not just to get the coverage for Putts for Purpose, which I'm definitely grateful for Playmakers bringing awareness to men's mental health. We all need it, because when we struggle as men, we have a tendency to not talk about it, to keep stuff in. And I've been there where I had my own breakdowns, and I needed people to talk to, but I didn't know who to talk to, and I didn't know if it was safe. So that part was good. The other part of coming out here was for me to tell my folks that marketing and golf are so similar. They're similar in so many ways, and they're similar in so many ways that I wrote a blog on it. So if you look here, I have a blog, and I wrote this blog because it's super important that we understand that marketing is a never-ending thing. Like, you can play golf at 18 round and you can go play it again and have a completely different score. It's every game is different, every hole is different. Every time you swing the club or the iron or the putter, you're not going to get the same results. And that is marketing. It is a game of failure. And I said a game, but it also the reality of failure. It's the reality of success. Everyone's is going to be different. So when I tell people that, yes, it worked for them, it worked for that time and that era, don't expect it to work for you. I might be your guy, but if not, find someone else. Do not do this on your own. The last tip I give you is record yourself. I didn't know how bad at golf I was. I didn't know I was so bad at golf. I thought my swing looked like Tiger Woods, y'all. Like Tiger Woods, and it was broke. I was like, isn't that kind of how like Charles Barkley swing? But when you're swinging it, it does not feel that way whatsoever. Or if you just want to improve your game, because it's all about improvement every single day, I encourage you, record yourself. You're going to get so much out of it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like. Until next time, wish you the very best. Dream big and Godspeed.